Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting the essential elements ready. Open Garageband and create a new 4/4 project at 120 BPM so groove and timing lock in. Choose a software instrument track and load a percussive kit that has toms and hand drums because those are the core of a jungle feel. Once done, enable the metronome, set input monitoring, and arm the track for recording so you can capture live hits and overdubs without latency interruptions. Now you'll craft the rhythmic core. Program a syncopated kick and snare pattern with swung 16th notes to create that rolling jungle momentum, and then layer tom fills on offbeats for rhythmic tension. Add congas and shuffled hi-hat at 1/8 swing to fill the midrange while varying velocity so the pattern breathes like a live drummer. Make sure to humanize timing slightly and add subtle reverb and short delay to place drums in a cohesive space. Finish by shaping tone and dynamics. EQ the low end to clear mud, compress the drum bus at roughly a 2:1 ratio to glue hits, and add light saturation for warmth. Automate a filter cutoff and drum volume to create builds and drops, and bounce stems for layering in other tracks. If the groove sounds mechanical or timing drifts, quantize lightly to 1/16 and then reapply humanize so the feel returns. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.